Hey everybody, welcome back. This is a subject, or this model kit brings up a subject that I don't know about, or I'm not sure about, but I heard about, and I'd like to get your input on it. And it is this 60 Corvette by Revell. What is interesting about this, and my friend Lucas C mentioned this to me, and I just want to confirm it through you guys too, is there's something different about this kit. And let me grab something else to reference. Okay, so we'll reference this kit here. So it's the box size. The box size, oh man, is, this ain't working. This is too far down. Let me raise the camera. The box size is a lot smaller than a normal kit box. Now I know this is a newer kit box, but it's a lot smaller. It's a 1/25th scale car, but Lucas C told me, I think maybe when I got this, I don't remember where he got this from, probably eBay or something like that. He said, you know, that was a Radio Shack car. That's why it was that size. That Radio Shack. Now I don't know if he was 100% sure on his information or not, but anyway, I know Lucas C is pretty up to date on his model facts. But anyway, he said that kit was made in a smaller box specifically for Radio Shack, so it would fit on their shelves or whatever. It was a specific size. I can find nothing on the box. This is a 1976, sealed in the plastic, and I was never going to open this thing because of that reason. But I wanted to open it. I've read everything on here, and I don't see anything that says Radio Shack or anything like that on it, and it may not have any of that on the inside either, but I'm curious just to open it. So what I was kind of appealing to the model community, you guys. Had you heard that? Jason over at Blue Ox Model Shop also has one of these sealed, and he said he's probably, just because it's sort of unique, if that is the case, that it was for Radio Shack. It's very unique. But he said he'd probably keep his sealed. So I guess I'll open mine. I said mind. That made no sense, Matthew. But yeah, let's get the plastic off this thing. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm really not so excited about this one because, oh well. Well, I mean, really, it's a model kit, whatever. Let's get the plastic off this thing. Alright, so 1976. How old am I? I'm 46 years old. So this plastic's been on here 46 years. And it sounds a bit crispy. Yes, I was born in 1976, the same year this kit was manufactured. And that's it. It's off. It's forever off. I did read this. Important. It's an unassembled plastic, but read this. Important. That's one of Revell's earliest designed fully detailed car models. This kit is engineered differently than models of today. This kit contains the original multi-piece body panels that require assembly before attaching the chassis. Thanks for the warning. Yeah, so this is an old kit, and they were warning the people in 1976, hey guys, this is a pain in the butt, so beware. So let's open it up. Okay, so this has been in there 46 years and never seen the light of day until right now. Boom, there's the light of day. Alright, so how they packed it, they put the chrome nicely on top of the instructions. So, ooh, that is beautiful chrome too. I mean beautiful. Wow. Yeah, that's really nice. It's pristine nice. Okay. Now let's see. This is a mission to try and find, is there anything on here that says Radio Shack? I don't think we're going to find it. 1960 Corvette. I would just think there would be something. But here's the Revell Modelers Club. I know that brings back probably memories to some of you guys. Not me. I couldn't remember anything at this point because I was either not born yet or just born. To join, just fill out this application and send it with $2. Canadian residents, $2.50. Check our money order, please. To Revell Modelers Club, P.O. Box 66937, Los Angeles, California, 90066. That stuff's neat. This is the kind of stuff that I want to put when I build my model room. I want to have picture frames. And I want to have this kind of stuff in there. 1977. So this kit's 1977, actually. Okay, I was born. Okay, I was born. And I couldn't remember, though. You can't remember at 1 year old. Yeah, this is the kind of stuff that I want to put in frames and have it up on the wall. Yeah, I don't see anything. That was the original date, I guess, 1960 when they made this kit. Wow. So it's multi-piece body. They did warn the children. Children, this has a multi-piece body. Let your dad build it. But I don't see anything in here about, like, Radio Shack. But while we got it, boy, my phone is going off. While we got it open, we might as well check it out. Okay, here's your windshield that I will be putting in its own little piece of plastic. Pristine. It has one little scratch on it, but that'll come right out. I don't have a Revell 60 Corvette, so this is the only one that I have. So there's your front portion of the body, the rear portion of the body, and it's like either under the front or under the back, like a roll pan. It's got 2-piece tires. I see them in there. Side panels. This is like the rear, right there. There's your chassis with the exhaust molded right in. And nice looking suspension. Look at that. Looks good. Great detailed. There's my son Joseph calling. Let me tell him. I'll call you right back. Gotta love text messages. Here's your rear diff. Oh goodness, you can't see that. There's your rear diff right there. Seats. Exhaust manifolds with the exhaust pipes on it. Here's your, looks like we're dealing with an automatic transmission possibly. Man, that phone is really, and top of the engine. I gotta answer him. I'll be right back. Okay, that was a very important message. Joseph was going to Dairy Queen and he wondered if I wanted something. So I had to stop what I was doing right there and say, yes, I do want something. And there's your valve covers, Chevrolet valve covers. But anyway, I think I was saying that this is, it's like an automatic transmission. Yeah, it's got a pan on it. Automatic transmission. I guess your old 60 Corvette would have been automatic. I don't know. Nice looking door panels there. Pretty neat. But the top part of the engine of it's one of those half, like you got the heads and the intake made together. And there's your, it looks like it would be the back, but that's the front. Gas pedal and your all your little shifter parts and all that stuff. I'm looking at the pattern on the floor there. I'm trying to figure how did they do that. It looks like with the pattern is sort of uneven. It looks like someone took like they had like a little spinny tool and they just it actually looks like they did that by hand because there's a very ununiformed pattern there. You see that? It's like somebody just, and those are the kind of details. I must be weird. That stuff really interests me. Like, how the heck did they do that on the mold? Did they have some guy? Hey guy, floor sweeper. Hey, come over here. Man, I just sweep the floors. Hey, it's okay. You see this little tool? Just make a lot of little marks on here. Okay, gang. So he got to break that shift. He got to put carpet in the 60 Corvette. I don't know. But it is interesting. How did they do that? And it looks like they did it by hand. Anyway. Wow, Matthew, you get off track so bad. There's your hood. Dashboard. Oh, that's pretty neat. Neat little dashboard there. Very cool. and some suspension parts. And now the old two-piece tires. There's the steering wheel. Looks like a hood, hinge, and some suspension parts. And here's your two-piece tires. Super cool. You know, you gotta love those. I'm trying to get it together. They're not that bad. They actually look nice. The sidewalls and all have really nice detail. Nothing wrong with that, except it's got like a seam in the middle that you can't sand out because it's a gap. But anyway, all right. Well, hey, mystery solved. Well, no, the mystery is not solved. The mystery is still absolutely a mystery. But there was a mystery. Was there anything inside it that said Radio Shack? And that's a no. So you guys, please let me. I've tried to search Google. I get criticized sometimes. I get these ugly comments, like if I'll say something, I don't know, somebody about my comparison on those 62 Chevy Impalas? What was it, 1962 Chevy Impalas? Somebody had a smart aleck comment about something that really, I don't even think was relevant, but anyway, they're like, just do your homework. It's not hard. Yeah, I understand it's not hard. But whatever he was talking about, I was not interested in. But like, I have done homework on this. I can't find anything about this being a Radio Shack edition of the car. And I'm not disputing what Lucas C says. I just think it's neat. The box is a different size. It's small. Very thin, very narrow. It's just a small little box. And it does seem like it would it's done for some reason why they had such a small box. And I bet they had the 60 Corvette in other size boxes, and that would be something that's interesting too. Was this 60 Corvette by Revell multi-piece body kit in a bigger box as well? I don't know. So whatever, maybe you guys got an explanation, and maybe not. Maybe it will just continue to be a mystery. So we'll see what the comments have in store. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. You're great. You're supportive. You're a wonderful audience, and a lot of good friends. Thank you so much for all you do. Hey, don't forget to go check out HobbyNutModels.com, linked in the description below, as well as the Facebook group, The Spring Store. You can grab yourself a t-shirt or coffee mug or sticker or something like that, as well as the Patreon group. And thank you to all you guys for supporting me. Alrighty, you guys take care. See ya. Bye.